Asa ta paingon? Asa si Daddy?
He's in the gym. He's in the office.
Okay ra ka?
I'm okay. I'm okay, guys.
Unsa paingon?
I'm okay, guys.
Wala ko'y kwarta.
Just open your wallet and show it to me, okay? Do that to me. I want money.
Okay.
Look at me. Okay.
Do it, Mama.
Momo.
Abrehi.
Abrihihi.
Palihog.
Abrihihi. We're almost there.
Almost there.
This way. It's not scared up this top. It's just got some bricks. It's down there.
Okay. I trust you. Just be careful.
Yes. Okay. Mom, that's the
Queen and the king.
I'm right here, Mom. I'll show it here. Let's go down.
Do you want to use the slide?
Why but it's still hot?
Hot?
Yeah, a little hot.
Okay.
Cause see the little bright.
Okay. Kanaog diri.
We'll just go right here.
Okay.
I'm too fast.
Tugoy.
Mine. Do you want to say amen? Ha!
Unsa daw?
I just
Oh, it's getting really hot, Nak.
come right here. I'll show you.
Wow.
I don't know to.
Anak, come down here, Nak. Oh. We'll go on that side, Nak. Do you want to go on that side?
Yes.
I'll just get the pram, okay?
I'm gonna leave.
Oh, come on. Nak, unsay color ana, Nak? Unsay color dito?
Color is green.
Ah, green. Bright ng bata ah. Come here, oh. Try this one, Nak, ah.
Which one?
It gets really warm, guys. Sa taas kapag direct sa sunlight.
Mom, that stripe is black.
Okay.
Our balance on. Oh, a shoulder. Mom, I'm really tall like this.
Yeah, you are tall.
Careful. See, I can reach the handles. I don't want to fall down, do I?
That's right. Wow.
I don't know to reach.
It's too high.
I want.
Try that one, Naka. The other one.
Mom, come with me too.
Yeah, I've got baby silin manak. Lisod kayo.
But this fits to just do it with the pram.
Oh, we can't use the pram there, Baba.
That's okay, Mom.
Okay.
Stay here.
Take care, ha.
Yes, just stay there on the camping road.
Okay.
I won't be too long.
What is it, Nak?
I won't be sure.
Sabi niya kanina, guys, I won't be too long. Itong anak ko talaga. Yung isa ay nandito. Yes, Baba. Dito na lang kami, oh, under the shade. Under the shade, Baba Gil. Tingnan niyo, oh. Maganda kasi yung kuan, weather. Is it? Oh. Ni. Ito din siya, ah. Kung nakakapaglakad din to, ah. Nag-una na ni dito. Balance. Be, pakitang gilas. Wow, very good balance, Paris.
Nearly there.
Nearly.
To go over there.
Oh, oh.
I'm gonna go.
Okay, pugat kay silinak ah. Buyag. Oh, oh.
That was a bit funny. Put onto the handles. Whee! Whee!
Tingnan niyo ang mukha, oh, pula-pula na.
And
Dito kami sa sasakyan na. Tapos na kami sa park. At tingnan niyo, oh. Sleeping Beauty. Ayan, magigising na naman yan. Uy, ewan ko na lang yun.
now we can get the battery now. When I finish watching the film.
Really?
Yeah, we can do that.
Kinsa nag-ingon?
That's okay, Mom.
Kinsa nag-ingon?
That's okay. That's okay. I just want to watch your film. that's
Ay, pataka-taka ka. Where are we going now? Ha?
Mom,
Asta pa ingon?
I want to get some chips.
Chips.
Yeah, but I need some coffee either too.
Coffee? Ay,
Yeah.
shush! Para mag-correct ni nag-coffee.
I'm gonna buy Milo.
Unsa daw?
I'm gonna buy Milo and ice cream either too.
Oh, tanan na lang?
Not sure about ice creams.
Unsa nga flavor imong gusto?
My favorite is chocolate.
Oh, that's my favorite too.
Dad really likes the kiwi. What? The Buffalo kiwi ice cream.
Kiwi?
Dad like kiwi ice cream. I told him. He said yes, I do like always. I like it.
Oh,
He said he likes the green.
okay. It's good to know, honey. What did you say?
I mean, it's my money. Is you want? I got money in here.
Do you?
Yes,
Sabi niya, guys, do you have money, mommy?
I got money. Look, right here.
Pakita ako, be. Wow. Pila na?
My mommy gave it to me because I've been shopping.
Pila na imong kwarta?
I got more money, so I got two of them.
2 of them. Oh.
To buy some more toys and ice, and you can get some toys or more toys or
Yeah.
something.
Mommy don't have money anymore.
But did you got some in your wallet?
Really?
Yeah, I want to see.
I don't have money.
I want to see, Mom. I just want to see.
You wanna see my wallet?
I do.
I don't have money. What are we gonna do?
No, I want to see. I want to see. I want to see. I just want to see the wallet.
Di siya to.
I can see what's inside your wallet.
Dili kag too. Wala lagi ko yung kwarta.
Mom?
Pares,
Huh?
anak.
Hmm?
Wala ko yung kwarta.
Just open your wallet and show it to me, okay? Do that to me. I want money. Look at me.
She's counting the, balloons. Yeah, go. Keep going. Where? Dito na kami sa shops. Oh, diba? Sobrang dami ng tao. Kasi open na lahat. Kahit na Monday. Pero nako, asa yung mga ice cream? Asa?
I am having ice cream.
Yeah? Kahinumdum ka?
Yes.
Paris? Kahinumdum ka? Asa yung mga ice cream?
Ice cream.
Asa man?
Ice cream.
Asa yung mga ice cream?
Ice cream right there. Look, it's open now.
Libre na?
Put it in the code.
Okay. Let's go.
Oh, you have chocolate.
Okay. We'll go there, oh. Ano tawag ka na?
Later.
What is that? Ano tawag ka na? Look at mama.
Later.
Aglag better? Aglag better? Okay. What do you say?
Thank you.
Thank you. Come on. Lami na? Let's go. Go toilet. This way. I know, you're so tall. Yeah. Okay. Oh no, we can't go inside now. Huh?
In the top.
Yeah, we can't go inside, man. Come.
I think we're gonna go inside over there.
Yeah, we have to wait. Next time, we'll ask Daddy, we will book, okay? It's beautiful. Huh? Okay. Now we have to ask Daddy. Next time we'll come, okay? Sobrang ganda guys, ha? Did you wave to Santa?
I wanna wave again.
Okay. Go wave to Santa. Come on, go. I know Santa's taking a photo now. Next time we'll come, okay? Take a photo with Santa. Si Paris gustong pumasok doon. Hindi man pwede. Hi, Nak. Are you awake, Nak? Is my baby girl awake na, beautiful girl? Yes. Ate Paris. Hello. Siling, siling. No, you have to. Wow. Push this one. See. Wow. Are you don't stop? I think. Well done.
A few moments later.
Time check. It's 9:10 ng gabi.
Today is nighttime now.
Ngayon lang kami nakapag-vlog ulit.
And
Pagpasensyahan
the
niyo.
moon is somewhere outside.
The moon?
Yeah, it's under the clouds. I like I'm eating a biscuit. I'm eating this one with cheese in it. Today, it's gonna be better than later. It's gonna be my birthday later too.
Really? Nak, asa si Celine?
Here's a baby.
Asa siya? Asa si Celine?
Sleep.
Asa si Celine? Nak, Mama's asking. Asa si Celine?
I don't know.
Asa siya ba? Asa si Celine?
I don't know.
Celine is not here. Asa siya?
She's not here.
Asa man si Celine?
Celine is in the bed.
Oh, see? Alam niyo guys, sobrang nakaka-proud talaga. Impressed na impressed ako sa kanya sa ating
Good her.
today, sa ating challenge today. Even though hindi niya talaga tawag ito, hindi niya straight away maintindihan yung sinasabi ko, but she responds to me. And alam niyo yung parang keyword lang yung inaano niya. Yung parang meron siyang keyword na inaano sa utak niya, tapos alam niya kung ano yung ibig sabihin ko. Kaya sabi ko, wala si Celine dito. Asan si Celine? Sabi niya, nasa bed na lang. Diba? Nak, unsa imong paboritong prutas?
And the
Unsa imong paborito nga prutas?
I don't know.
Yung sinasagot niya, guys, I don't know na lang. That make a lot of noise kasi. Okay. Show them your eyes, B. She's having your eyes. Cuddle. Ito yung kinakain ko, oh. Ngayon. Nagluto kasi si Daddy Mike ng minced chicken with corn and peas. Tapos may rice pa ako.
I wonder what TV when I'm eating.
Nak, baho lagi ka, nak.
No,
Nagdungdung ka?
not much.
Did you utot?
No. Silly.
Do you understand Mama when Mama speaks Bisaya?
Guys.
Naunsa na imong buhok?
And guys, I got these cookies. These cookies are, my dad gave it to me, and I said, parents, mommy just open it up.
Abre?
And breathe.
Na, Mama,
Mama,
abrehe,
breathe,
palihog.
play hug.
Mama, abrehe, palihog.
I couldn't say it.
And say, Mama,
I couldn't say it.
you can do it. You can do it. Mama,
Mama,
abrehe,
breathe,
palihog.
Boy, open this up.
I can open it up. Very hard ba na? Daddy. There's a tape na ko. There's a tape.
She get it
Ask
out?
Daddy to open it.
Like, you open this for me. You stronger. Like, this one.
Come here, Daddy.
Where's the plate?
Should it be? We haven't shown you in the vlog today.
Why not? Because I was too busy. Because I was too busy being successful.
Open up. This one,
Yeah, I can see it.
Is Daddy stronger?
Yes,
Say kabe. Daddy.
Daddy.
Here, look at here. Abrehe, palihog. Cookies. What do you say to Daddy?
Thank you.
Okay.
You're welcome, princess.
Salamat. What do you say? Salamat.
Salamat.
Salamat. Salamat.
We don't have some cookies.
Do you want to share to Mama?
Yeah, I do. What's this one? Have a little pumpkin one. This is the one right here, like a pumpkin. That's the pumpkin. Oh, look at this happy Mommy, look at this one. I'll try this one.
Lami?
Good.
Lami na?
Mommy.
Lami na? Lami?
Mommy.
Lami ang cookies?
And I'm having cookies because I eat one. Why?
Lami ang cookies?
I'll try this one. Good. Hey. You like it? I need to have this one. Hold it.
Salamat.
Salamat.
Walay?
Walay.
Sapayan.
Sorry, ma'am.
Sapayan.
Sorry, ma'am.
Now, I'm super proud of you today.
Why?
Because you answered Mama's Bisaya.
There's well.
Because you answered Mama even if Mama is speaking Bisaya to you. I'm very proud of you.
Mom.
Well
Okay.
done? Well done? Do you love Bisaya?
Mom. Mom.
What's the Bisaya of
Poo-poo.
fart?
Do.
Fart.
I don't remember.
Come on.
I don't know. Can you help? I did.
Good job. Good job. Anyways, guys, iyan na natin yung vlog dito, ha? I super enjoyed today's video. Like, yeah, sobrang na-enjoy ko talaga. I hope na-enjoy nyo rin, guys. And if you have any other parang video na gusto nyo i-recommend para gawin namin dito sa kanya, I'm already thinking about Q&A with her. 4 months ago, yun sabi ko, mag-Q&A kami.
1, 2, 3,
But then,
4.
hindi natuloy. So, I'm thinking about doing that very soon. So, that's very exciting as well. And before namin i-end yung vlog, I'll just do a quick shout out to Annalyn Tabalina Vlogs, Jancy Pinay, Australia, Gina Sangila, Leticia Apple, Naida Trufil, Gaga Batislaong, Sharon Ando, Elizabeth Crisostomo, Luz, what's mama? Luz Tiungson, Alena Risulis, Rosemary Verzon, Feli Ilamparo, Belin De Jesus, Cherry May Ongayo, Jean Bagsik, Edna Jeffrey, and Arlene Hoover. Dagdag na. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Oh my god. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thumbs up na. Ang aking buhok ba? Walang suklay-suklay. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Just put it there. Give a thumbs up if you like it. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family.
If you have to eat food and you have a cookie. And you can get Paris and Ryan's toys or Emma big eggs. And you can get Paris toys about Diana. And Diana toys is just good, but I like Diana toys. But I'm getting a Diana treasure chest. You want a Diana treasure chest too? You can get it one, but she's having a splash toy. And you can have a pumpkin too. Oh, you can get the pumpkin cookie
Hindi
too.
siya mahuman, guys. Kini si Paris. Espera. Ako si
see,
Paris.
Paris.
Hantod
Hunted
sa
the
sunod.
city.
Higayon. Kita-kita
Filipina.
ta
The
puhon. No, medyo malito. Sa, hi, Tito Roy. Ikaw na ba? Hi, Tito Roy.
Hi, Tita Roy.
Medyo maldito. Diba? Ay, medyo maldito.
Okay, Tita. What's up?
Bye! Sa adios!
Ayun.